Hello everybody and welcome to CNATT channel. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly reset the network settings of Windows 11 using Windows Settings. Resetting network settings can be helpful when you're having trouble connecting to the internet or if you're experiencing slow internet speeds. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. In another video linked above, we showed you how to open network adapters or network connections in Windows 11 in several ways. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings, or press Windows key I on your keyboard. In the left pane, select Network and Internet. Select Advanced Network Settings. In the More Settings section, select Network Reset. Select Reset Now button. In the dialog box, select Yes. In 5 minutes, the computer will restart. You can wait 5 minutes or close this message and restart Windows manually. After Windows boots, check the network status, and if you still have problems, see another tutorial where we showed you how to reset network settings using CMD. Thanks for watching the video. You can see more tutorials on our channel.